People are talking about Sunset Ford of Sumner. First up is Catherine. Everyone was helpful and friendly and helped me find what I was looking for, focused on the features, price range, and other specs I'd asked about. Here's Adam. Great experience. Everything went according to plan, just as the tech said it would. Easy. Next up is Connor. Aaron was awesome. I ordered a 2022 Super Duty from factory due to stock issues. Communication was great through the process. Finally, here's John. Clay, Dave, and Austin were extremely helpful in the process of buying a car. They walked me through the whole thing and helped me get my Bronco.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.